Hello everybody, it's me, ProgramCuber17, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve a Megaminx. So before you learn how to solve one of these Megaminx cubes, you have to know how to solve in any way these first two layers, CFOP advanced method, intermediate method, or even beginner's method. But just somehow you have to learn how to do the first two layers of a normal 3x3 Rubik's Cube, then you can learn how to solve a Megaminx. So this is going to be the first part of our video and of a series on how to solve this. And a few things you want to notice is this is a 12-sided cube. Every side, instead of 4 each, it has 5 middle pieces and 5 corner pieces. And our first step usually is making the cross on a 3x3, but on a Megaminx you want to make a star. It is a cross, but because it's 5 pieces, we call it a star. And then in part 2, we're going to be making this whole entire, all the colors around it. Part 3, we're going to be finishing off this whole entire cube. So now let's get to learning how to solve this cube. Okay, now that this cube is shuffled up, we can start making the star. So we see this piece can go in here, so we can just push it in. Then we want to line it up with green before we move on. So we lined it up with green now. And now we see this yellow piece. What we can do is, because we want the yellow piece to be here because the green is lined up, we can bring this down so it lines up with its center. And we can turn the front face so it lines up like that. There's the red piece right here. We want it to fit right here. We can do that same thing. When we were doing that, blue matched up, so we can insert blue. And our next piece is purple, or yeah, for our final edge piece, it has to be purple, and that's right here. So because it's right here, we can match it up properly so it matches with its color. Then turn this row twice so it lines up, and we get the star. So now our next step is making the rest of the top. So right here is a piece, and so we can take it out because it's not in the right spot. And then we can see that this is already put in properly, and our piece needs to go here that we took out. So let's bring it under its spot. It's upside down. So make it so it's not upside down, and then just insert it. Now it's purple and green, and we want to insert it right here. And then it's yellow and purple, so we want to insert it right here, and we would have this whole white face solved. So even though I said that we're only going to be doing this top part for the thing, that includes fitting in all of these pieces too. And then in part 2, like I said, we're going to be finishing off the rest of every side. So we want to insert these pieces. So there's red and blue. Red and blue is right here. Then we do the inserting algorithm. This is why you need to know how to solve the first 2 layers of a 3x3. And insert it. And that gets inserted. And now our next piece is right here. It's yellow and purple. Match it up with yellow and purple, and then we can insert it. Our next piece is this piece, red and green. Match it up and insert it. Our next piece is, so we need a purple, a blue, and a yellow, or a purple and a green. So now let's see, we can find one of those. So let's look for purple and green right now. Purple and green is right here. So we can insert it like so. And blue is right here. it's right here, so we want to take it over there, and then we want to insert it. So that's it for part 1. In the second part, we're going to be finishing this whole entire part off. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.